and Communication Technology presents Educational Satellite Television Programs.
Hello, teacher. Hello, students. Welcome to today's lesson on disaccharide carbohydrates. In our last lesson, we learned about monosaccharide carbohydrates. We learned that they are simple carbohydrates consisting of 1 unit of sugar. We looked at the ways to categorize monosaccharides, as well as the structure of glucose, fructose, and galactose. Today, we will learn about disaccharide carbohydrates. We will learn the structure of disaccharides by looking at sucrose, maltose, and lactose. I'm ready to begin if you are, students. A disaccharide is the carbohydrate formed when 2 monosaccharides undergo a condensation reaction. This involves the elimination of a small molecule such as water. Disaccharides are linked together by covalent bonds. A covalent bond is a type of chemical bond created by sharing a pair of electrons between 2 atoms. The electron pair interacts with the nuclei of both atoms, and this attractive interaction holds the atoms together. The covalent bond is much stronger than the hydrogen bond, which exists between polar covalent molecules and is similar in strength to the ionic bond. While the disaccharides like sucrose, lactose, and maltose have the same chemical formula, C12H22O11, and have 1 glucose molecule as part of their structure, they differ substantially in their structure. Students, do you recall the proper term for these types of compounds?
Students, let's get ready. Begin. Time's up. Let's get back to our lesson.
Hello again, everyone. If you said isomer, then you answered correctly. Great work. Let us continue on with the lesson. When two monosaccharides are combined, such as glucose with glucose or glucose with fructose, the result is a disaccharide. As the two sugars are joined together, a molecule of water is removed. For example, milk sugar or lactose is made from glucose and galactose, whereas cane sugar or sucrose is made from glucose and fructose. The two monosaccharides are formed by a dehydration reaction called a condensation reaction. A condensation reaction is defined as a chemical reaction in which two molecules or functional groups combine to form one single molecule, together with the loss of a molecule. Students, before we continue, let us review some of the terms we have learned so far. Please explain covalent bonds and condensation reaction. In your description of the condensation reaction, please also explain why it is referred to as a dehydration reaction.
Students, let's get ready. Begin. Time's up. Let's get back to our lesson.
Hello once again, everyone. I hope this was a simple review activity for you. A covalent bond is a type of chemical bond characterized by sharing a pair of electrons between two atoms. The electron pair interacts with the nuclei of both atoms, and this attractive interaction holds the atoms together. A condensation reaction is defined as a chemical reaction in which two molecules combine to form one molecule together with the loss of a molecule of H2O. It is referred to as a dehydration reaction in disaccharides because the molecule lost is a water molecule. Were your answers similar to these answers? If so, great work. The aldohexose glucose